Add concentrated fabric softener to a cotton ball and be amazed by the results. To prevent the appearance of mold and bad odors in humid areas such as bathrooms, closets, and wardrobes, you will need a plastic container with a lid, a fork, coarse salt, baking soda, cotton, and fabric softener. Heat the tines of the fork over a flame and make several holes in the lid of the container. Pour coarse salt into the container until it is half full. Add a tablespoon of baking soda on top of the salt and place a layer of cotton on top. Add a capful of fabric softener. Put the perforated lid on the jar and place it in humid areas of the house, such as the bathroom, closet, or wardrobe. The salt and baking soda will absorb the moisture, while the cotton and fabric softener will provide a pleasant fragrance. Change the mixture every month or when the salt becomes saturated.